UMP ka Congress na Kyrwoh constituency ka Jala Assam o Goraf Gogoi ulakno banadu arjakat pra bak sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala shimti ya ka bor sensyar hapo ka Jala Meghalaya ka shongsuk shong saiñ kamdon shu hapo ka Jala bat kani kanesa hadu kani ka kanti bomenta halor kani Gogoi lapan kemau nadu ka jingja isamati hakabau ba lorsha hinyota uladu no ya ka jingem bat buat pat sak jingsha set yap uba cheers to feel thank you bat kumjuru ka jingsha set yap hamukro.
Meghalaya is, for the last 5 years, has been in the news for the wrong reasons, for the mismanagement done by NPP, BJP and the UDP. And it pains me to see the kind of suffering the people of Meghalaya have had to undergo, especially in law and order. Every 6 months there is some law and order situation. No, just few months after the MDA government was sworn in, Shillong was rocked by violence in the Punjabi lane in the sweepers colony. In 2020 in March, there was violence in Shella constituency, several dead and injured. On 30th August 2021, Chesterfield, thank you, was killed, and then Shillong was again, we saw the situation there. In October 2022, the unemployment rally in Shillong became violent, and obviously on the 22nd November 2022, Border Village, 5 innocent villagers were killed. It's just unfortunate to see the law and order suffer under this MDA government, despite Chief Home Minister Amit Shah coming to Shillong so many times. Despite all these NEDA meetings taking place, Assam-Meghalaya border issue remains a photo op, and due to the mismanagement of both chief ministers, we saw this issue where 5 people were killed in police fighting. And drugs, the problem of drugs have only increased. They have been every couple of months we see how police, they are capturing some 100 grams of heroin, vials of drugs, and despite this, the problem, all these arrests, the problem of drugs is not coming down, it's only increasing. So whether it's drugs, whether it's violence, whether it's local law and order, whether it's corruption, people of Meghalaya are fed up and they want to see somebody new.
Meghalaya TMC kan Wanlam Shapi ya Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kanika scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka ap nyau terek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star